Welcome to Magic Smart Home. If you're not sure what to get for your family or friends as a gift, then this adorable Astronaut Galaxy light is the one for you. It creates such a mesmerizing effect that you will surely love it. It features 8 stunning nebula effects accompanied by twinkling green stars projected onto the wall or ceiling of your room, and it will bring the galaxy space light for you, creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. In this video, we are actually going to test it out to see if it's actually worth it. Let's open it out of the box. You will get an astronaut projector, a lunar platform, a cable, a manual, and a remote controller. With this remote, you can control the brightness and the speed of nebula and the stars. B for brightness and S for speed. It has also a power button and a timer set. You can set a timer of 45 minutes to 90 minutes in which the LED projector will automatically turn off when you fall asleep under a starry sky. This is the timer indicator. Red light indicates 90 minutes and blue light indicates 45 minutes. There are 3 buttons at the back side of the projector. Middle one is for the power button and the side buttons are for the stars and the nebula. By clicking these, you can change the patterns of the nebula and the star formation, also the brightness. And it needs to be connected with the power source in order to operate. The design is quite premium. It is made of ABS material and the head is quite heavy and the lower portion is lighter in weight. The head easily comes out with a strong magnetic hold that allows a lot of movement as per your requirement. I'm pretty impressed with this mini projector. I love the variety of color it offers. The stars get dim and bright, which provides a lot of versatility, which I think make this star projector worth it. In conclusion, I would recommend it strongly as a gifting option. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please do subscribe and like the channel so that we can make a lot of videos. Thanks a lot for watching.